Right, just got a video here, Peugeot 306. It's my lad's car, and he's saying that the heater blow's not working. So first time I've had a look at it, just got in the car and I don't really know what's going on yet. So hopefully this will be an interesting video for you. We're going to go through a bit of a diagnosis and see what we've got. I mean, it might be something as simple as a fuse, or it might be a complete wiring problem or blower problem or whatever, but until I start going through it, I don't really know. One of the things I'm going to do first, being a DIYer, information, you know, compared to some of the pro channels where they can get like they can get wiring diagrams and stuff like that straight away. I'm going by my trusty old Haynes manual. That's all I've got. So for a DIY point of view, that's probably what most people have got to try and help them cure this problem. It's going to be electrical, pretty much know that. Very doubtful it'll be mechanical of any type, but you never know. But if we go through it bit by bit, then we'll see where we come out. Hopefully we can get it fixed. If not, then I might have to take it somewhere else, but let's have a look. So what I've got first is my Haynes manual. I've got a wiring diagram of some sort. So this is what I've got. Quite a simple one as well. So we're going to go through it, really. So this will sort of be a good trail of where problems to start. Because what I don't want to do, I don't want to start tearing down dashboards and things like that if I can help it. If I can get to certain parts first and test them before moving on to anything sort of significant, and pull out the dashboard, parts of the dashboard, and trying to find wiring problems under there. So this is what I'm going to do first. So this is the wiring diagram. So you got this point here is the ignition, so the blower only works when the ignition is switched on, key on. Then the next bit after that, well, you got the obviously got battery there, maxi fuse box there, which is in the engine compartment, and then this is the ignition side of it. So it'll move on from this point to passenger fuse box. I think there's a fuse box down in the passenger well somewhere, which I'll have to find out because I've never seen this one before. So so from that point on, it goes to a main feed towards a relay, which we can test. Not sure where that is, so we're gonna have to route that one out. Hopefully it'll be in the engine compartment, but I don't know, we'll find out. Next bit's then you obviously got the switch, which is that, and from that point it goes onto a resistor. These can fail often, I've replaced these before, but this is normally down to the speed settings, so would be that, I would have thought. So he's saying there's no power. I haven't tried it yet, so and then from that point on it goes to the blower, which he says isn't working. So from that point there's a main wire, main feed that goes all the way to the blower, and then which is fed by fuse box as well. So so we've got a bit to look at, a bit to trace. I'll have a look at that, but the first thing I'm going to do is see if it works, see what we've got. So I'm going to put the key on. So that's key on, so I've just got a light still on the start.
Huddersfield and Brighton versus Man United tomorrow for a one-off payment of just £7.99.
Turn his radio down. So there's nothing there at all. Let's try. So I've got nothing. Oh, I've got no AC either. That doesn't work. And I know, looking at this interior, there's an interior lighting issue. Interior lighting supply. So from the same switch, that goes interior lighting. So if we've lost power, I'm going to see if the interior light works, which it does. So I think this is the one we're on about. So that works. So there seems to be some power in there, which is from the switch. So I think the first things to check first would be the fuse box. I think I'm going to go and do that first, and we'll see what's what. I'm probably going to put this into, because of video time really, I'm going to put this into different parts. So there might be 1 or 2 parts of this video, because obviously there's a lot to check, there's a lot to take out, and I've only got so much video time. So if you don't mind, we'll start off. This part includes the wiring diagram of what I'm going to be looking for. So the fuse box first, I'm going to check the fuses, and then I'll do another video when I do that, because this is going to take a bit of a while, so we'll get you started anyway. So be prepared for a couple, because this might be quite a big video.